To get a full front lever, you will have to build some sort of base. And in my opinion, the best way to build this base is through the most effective front lever progression. The progression you are seeing right now on the screen will absolutely create a foundation layer of strength, and this will make the full front lever progressions a lot easier because you are better prepared. Prerequisites to this front lever progression will be a tucked front lever hold for around 20 seconds, a advanced tucked front lever hold for around 10 seconds, and front lever tucked pulls for around 8 reps. Make sure you understand the front lever form/technique principles. If you do not understand these, I would recommend my previous video on my beginner front lever guide. The technique consists of gripping the bar very tight, locking your arms, getting in a proper shoulder position, so that will be down and slightly retracted, squeezing your abs and pretty much tensing every part of your body to become a weapon of steel. After understanding these principles, you should firstly learn the inverted hang. So this is a pretty common position you will get in many times if you are training front lever. Make sure to fully extend your hips. So don't have this angle in your body, but really force your hips out so you are in a perfect straight line. So after you get comfortable with this, you should learn upside down deadlifts, also one of the most fundamental exercises in my opinion, because you learn how to properly align your body while also engaging straight arm strength. So to make the progression a little bit easier, you should first learn the negative part of the movement. So you start in your inverted hang and then you slowly lower your hips while maintaining the same position in anterior pelvic tilt. Okay, so don't like round your back, but have a straight back, and only part that like bends are your legs, and then go back into position. So don't go all round like this, but have that straight back, anterior pelvic tilt, and then once you're in the advanced tucked position with straight legs, you simply pull down again, performing a regular pull while simultaneously like extending your hips into the inverted position. And like make sure you're not like hip thrusting your way into the inverted hang. We are pulling and we are extending our body, okay? Don't cheat with this. Now if you get like 3 to 5 reps of the upside down deadlift, you will be ready for the next progression. And the next progression is the ultimate advanced tucked progression. Now why do I say ultimate? Because the only way to make this exercise more difficult is to implement ankle weights, or actually go to a more difficult progression like the one leg, like the half lay, like the full. So this is like your ultimate stopping point of, okay, I'm no longer a beginner, I'm now actually past getting intermediate. Okay, so to do this progression we will start in the advanced tucked, and what we do is the same as with the upside down deadlift, only our legs are like bent. Once you are pulling, extending the hips, like squeezing your quads against the bar with fully like extended hips, then we extend our legs, causing us to go into the inverted hang again. So we do this step by step. We hang into the advanced tucked front lever. We do the pull while opening up our hips. We squeeze our quads and we stick them to the bar. Once we are sticked into like an upside down half lay, then we extend our legs, maintain position for around 1 second, then go back into the advanced tucked. And we do this and we learn this to do it for reps. Now if we get around 8 reps, you've absolutely mastered the advanced tucked progression, and you will now be able to smoothly go into the one leg front lever, half lay front lever, full front lever progressions. You will definitely not immediately master all these progressions, but you will have built a pretty good foundation actually. So from here you can build up again. I definitely recommend this progression. Good luck with trying it out, and I will see you in the next video. Adios.